Here is a wonderful 2022 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Feel the thrill of superior luxury and capability in this masterfully created Range Rover. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.